Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. Let's talk about the Suzuki Alto 2025's exterior, which is getting more and more stylish and contemporary. Although the Suzuki Alto 2025 has a newer, more contemporary look, it nevertheless has the distinctive personality of an easy-to-drive, nimble city vehicle. With chrome highlights or contrasting colors, the Suzuki Alto 2025's front grille is intended to be sportier and broader, creating a more contemporary and appealing appearance. Sharper, more futuristic LED headlights increase visibility and give off a more aggressive vibe. In order to decrease wind resistance and boost fuel efficiency, the 2025 Alto's body lines are made to be more aerodynamic. A distinctive roof design, like a panoramic sunroof or floating roof, will give the space a more contemporary and futuristic look. Several body elements include chrome highlights, which provide an opulent and sophisticated look. With bigger sizes and sportier designs, the selection of alloy rims is becoming more varied. In keeping with the car's vibrant and vivacious personality, Suzuki provides a large selection of eye-catching exterior colors. The 2025 Alto's interior has a more contemporary style with crisp lines and high-quality materials. Important information including speed, engine speed, and fuel level are shown on the easily readable instrument panel. The infotainment system, which includes smartphone connectivity, audio, and navigation, will be controlled via the medium-sized touchscreen. You can simply access your favorite applications and make phone calls thanks to the infotainment system's integration with your smartphone via Bluetooth or Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. In order to give comfort during hot weather, air conditioning will be a common feature. In order to give the driver and passengers the best possible protection, the 2025 Alto will be outfitted with safety equipment including airbags, ABS, and EBD. Small baggage may be kept in a number of useful storage areas. Being a swift and nimble city vehicle, the Suzuki Alto 2025 needs an engine that is both powerful and efficient to support daily tasks in cities. The engines that are anticipated to be utilized in the 2025 Alto are as follows. For city vehicles like the Alto, the 1.0L or 1.2L gasoline engine is ideal. This engine provides sufficient power for everyday use together with acceptable fuel economy. Suzuki may provide a moderate hybrid version to boost fuel economy and lower pollutants. This technique improves performance and lessens the strain on the engine when accelerating. The best option for smooth acceleration and maximum fuel efficiency will be a continuously variable gearbox CVT.